Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet Traverse RS package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really outstanding shape. Full luxury, black on black, leather interior, third row. Beautiful shape, loaded up inside. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's in really nice shape. Okay, front bumper's in beautiful condition. Look at that, amazing shape. Really outstanding condition. Take a look at this light here. Looks brand new, beautiful condition. Lower light, also in beautiful shape. Take a look at the grille. Grille's in beautiful condition. This one has the 360 camera. It's a camera here in the front. RS package, beautiful shape. Take a look at this. Headlamps in beautiful shape. Has a couple little blemishes here and towards the bottom. But besides that, looks amazing. The lower light's in beautiful condition. All right, take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Super clean throughout. Beautiful condition. All right, taking a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Really amazing shape. It's got a dent right there. Besides that, looks beautiful. Take a look at the driver door. Driver door's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Also has a tiny little dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the rear door on the driver's side. Beautiful shape, clean throughout. Very nice condition. This has a blemish right here on this panel and here. Besides that, looks good. All right, taking a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side. Looks good, clean throughout. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Does have a small little hairline scratch right there. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. All right, taking a look at the rear. Rear hatch looks good. Super nice shape. Super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Take a look at the rear bumper. Very nice shape. Walking around the passenger side. Quarter panel's in beautiful condition. Nothing to show there. Amazing condition. All right, taking a look at the rear door on the passenger side. Tiny little scratch right there on the paint. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the front door on the passenger side. Beautiful shape. Small dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Windshield's in great shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition on this side. Let's have a tiny little chip right there. And another one right there. Take a look at the roof. Roof's in great shape. Super clean. Looks amazing. Really nice condition. Looks really nice. On this side, let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield looks good on this side. Don't see any marks or anything on it. Looks amazing. Very nice. All right, that concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, super clean throughout, very nice shape. Look at the armrest, very nice. All the controls for the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Beautiful shape. Rear power hatch controller right there. This one has the Bose system, nice upgrade. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in great shape. Looks clean throughout, very nice. Full power with lumbar. Full set of floor mats, rubber, very nice. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Really great shape on this one. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice shape. Armrest is in great condition. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Really amazing shape. Super clean. Look at that seat. Looks amazing. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Super clean throughout. All right, take a look at the rear seat on the driver's side. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Rugs are clean. Full set of floor mats. Beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the third row here. Super nice. Look at that. Seat's in brand new condition back here. Looks like it's never been sat in. And it has all 3 rows of mats. Look at that. Really nice. Back here, the rear passengers. Check it out. They have their USB connection back here for the kids, and another one over there. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Looks amazing, has a little pocket for storage there. Take a look at the seat here, really amazing condition. It's super clean, look at that. Very nice, full set of floor mats. Has controls back here for the AC, nice feature. Look at this, the 110 connection here, in case you want to connect your laptop or something, USB. Very nice. Full set of floor mats. Let's take a look at the rear seat. The third row seat back here. Look at that, amazing. Beautiful condition. 3 rows. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start this baby up, but let's take a look at the remote here. It's got lock, unlock, remote start, and power hatch. Super nice. I'm gonna set the key down right here. It's got a push button start right here, so we're gonna press the brake. We're gonna push the button right here. Check it out. Gauges are all fully functional there. It looks super nice. Gauges go up and all the way back down. Beautiful screen here in the center. Lit up with navigation, all the toys. Super nice. All right, let's take a look at the mileage here. Mileage is 60,320 miles. RPMs, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. Really nice. Let's flicker through here. 129 miles till empty. Super nice. Shows you the miles per hour there. Look at that. Shows you the radio station that's on right now. We don't have anything on right now. There's no device on or anything. So you have to accept terms to launch the navigation. Super nice. The phone connection. This is for the settings. Super nice. Let's go ahead and put it back on home. And we'll leave it right there. So if you see there, it's showing you the compass, which we're facing northwest right now. Shows you it's in park, shows you the mileage and the time. All right, really nice. All right, let's check out the turning signals. Working perfect. The other one here. Let's flash the highlights. Fantastic on that. Super nice. Okay, this one has cruise control here on the steering wheel. This for the collision alert. Let me go ahead and show you that. Right now the gap is the further away, so we'll leave it further away is better. Has a heated steering wheel right there. That's super nice. This is the controls for the information center, speaker commands, and for Bluetooth. Front and rear wipers right there. Beautiful. Automatic lights, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Steering wheel's in beautiful shapes, leather wrapped. Really nice finish here. It looks brand new. Really amazing shape. All right, let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape all the way through. Looks beautiful. Very nice. Let's take a look at the radio real quick. This one has, let's go to devices. First, let's go to devices and then select here more. So it shows us here that the radio has the following. It has AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth, and Alexa. That's nice. Okay, so we go back to the sources here. That's really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put it on, we're gonna leave it on FM. It shows you the radio station. You got the memories up there. You can see there, it's got your Wi-Fi connection there. Super nice. Let's go back home again here. All right, so let's go to the phone settings. There's no phone that's paired right now with the unit, or else you would be able to see all that. Fantastic. Let's go back home again. Navigation. Super nice. Get started. There you go. You got to set the terms. We just did. Boom, boom, boom. There's your navigation. Really nice feature. Let's go back again. Hotspot settings. There you go. Users. There's no user set up. When you set up a user, the great thing about it is you can separate your radio stations, how you like your seat, all that stuff, and it'll go ahead and remember. There we go. Go to settings. System settings. Super nice. App. So it has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, has audio, climate, navigation, all the settings for that. Let's go to vehicle real quick. Rear seat reminder, if you have a small child or something, you want to have that on. It reminds you before you get out of the vehicle. collision detection. Let's see what kind of safety features we have. We have the forward collision, the forward pedestrian. It alerts and it also brakes. Adaptive cruise. Let's turn it on right now. That's cool. Lane alert and rear cross traffic alert. Super nice. And rear pedestrian detection alert. That's really nice. So it's got all the safety features you would want. All right, fantastic. Let's go home again. So this has another screen here for apps. Climate, check that out. Front and rear, so you can control it from here if you'd like. Super nice. Let's go back home again. Rear climate, camera, 360 camera. This is so nice. You see the car all the way around. It's a really nice camera there. So then it also has different settings. So you can click on that one there. It shows you the corner. See, this is the front right wheel. See it there? So in case you're going to park somewhere or whatever, you don't hit anything there. If you're going to close quarters or whatever. And then that's the rear. In case you're backing up into the garage, it's really tight or whatever, you can make sure you don't hit anything in the vehicle. That is super nice. Then this one just shows that. Click out of here, back again. Click on this one here. This is the front of the vehicle. So if you're like parking or something in the front, you can keep an eye on that. Like that, you click again, you can see the rear. That's nice if you're hitching up or something to a boat. Amazing. And then we can go back to this one here. That's the backup camera. Click it again. Actually, this is the backup camera and this is the front camera. So that's super nice. So you have all these camera views. You can go ahead and look at them whenever you'd like. And then also see there, the little line, when you turn it, it actually turns whatever way you're rolling. So that is super nice. Okay, so that's pretty much all the features this one has. And then it has Spotify, it has a bunch of apps you could download and stuff. It's super nice. Okay, another nice feature here. Climate control AC has 3 zones. So right now it's on low here. Let's say I want to put it for 61 on this side and keep it on low on this side. It shows it to you on the little screen also. When you move anything, it shows you on the screen. Down below that, we have your power plug there, USB plugs with auxiliary. This is a charging pad for your phone, wireless charging pad. 2 cup holders, really nice. This has a mode there for snow, if you guys are up north. The lane alert here. Parking brake. Automatic transmission, RS model. Look, says RS on it there. Armrest is in great shape. Let's take a look beneath here. It's got a little tray, take that out. It's got light in there and stuff. Store your stuff in there. Super nice. Up above here, you have your garage door openers you can program. Shows you the light for the passenger seat. Courtesy lights, beautiful. Your OnStar button, really nice. Take a look at this mirror here. Right now we're using the mirror. When you click it like that, you're using a rear camera. Isn't that nice? That's an actual rear camera. This is the rear view mirror. Rear camera. Super nice. All right. As you can see here, dashboard's in beautiful condition. Let's take a look again. Looks amazing. Beautiful shape all the way through. Not a mark on it. Looks beautiful. All right, let's take a look at the headliner. Headliner's in great shape. Take a quick look. You have AC vents there on the roof for the rear passengers. Liner's in great shape. Good color. Looks brand new all the time. All right, let's take a look at the visors here. Passenger visor with LEDs. Super nice. Driver visor with LEDs. Let's take a look at the liner on this side. Looks amazing. Don't see any marks or anything on it. Looks beautiful. All right, that's pretty much it on the interior here. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a little test drive. Here we go. Super nice. Feels super smooth, a lot of power. Drives really nice. So nice. Look at that. Super smooth. Really impressive. All right, I'm gonna turn here. Brakes feel good. Stops nice. we go. Just gonna turn in, come back out to the street again. Super quick, feels good. Really nice drive. All right, now we're gonna pull into a parking lot here and find a spot where we can check out our 360 camera. Super nice. All right, let's go ahead and check it out here. We're gonna back up now, put it in reverse. We got our rear camera there, shows you from the top, up top. We're taking a look in the back here. Super nice, look at that. Little spot right here, pulling back in. Fantastic. It's a really nice feature, let me tell you. Okay, that's pretty much, it's going to conclude our test drive here. So we'll be right back. We're going to show you the engine compartment, and we're going to take a look at the tires and the storage area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, let's go ahead and test out the rear door. Take a look at the remote right here. So you can actually press it on the button, or you could actually press it here twice. So let's press it twice on here. There you go. Hatch opens. Perfect. Let's take a look inside here. It's got a little power plug here. So nice. It's got these things here to tie your stuff down with a cargo net or whatever. Really nice. Rug's in good shape. These seats fold forward for more storage. Super nice. And down here you have a storage compartment to hide your stuff down here. Really nice. Beneath that you have the spare tire with the tools and everything. Very nice condition. Let's go ahead and close it up. It's got a button right here. Let's close it. Works perfect. Amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and outstanding condition. Look at that. Looks amazing. Beautiful shape. Look at that. Really amazing condition. It's brand new. Very nice shape. Let's take a look at the bottom of the hood. Emission stickers right there. Really nice condition all the way through. Looks beautiful. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing shape. Looks good. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Take a look there. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side's in great shape. Take a look at the rim. Rim's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape all the way through. Amazing. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side, good shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Does have a couple little marks on it here. Besides that, it's in great shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in good condition. Very nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really amazing shape. Super nice. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet Traverse RS package. Vehicle's beautiful condition inside and out. Really nice shape. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.